Hello my viewers. So I'm getting ready to do some work on installing a mini split air conditioning system, and I'm having to look over all my tools and things and make sure that everything is as it's supposed to be. And I got a woodpecker back there woodpecking, if you heard that. Anyway, so I need to replace the oil in my vacuum pump here. Okay. So as you can see, the oil level here is low. That's because my vacuum pump fell over one day while transporting it. It happens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some new oil in it. I'm going to be installing 3 mini split air conditioning systems here soon, so I need to make sure that everything's good with my vacuum pump. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to drain what oil is, in here, out of there. Okay. There. Now, as you see, it's not really draining very fast. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this cap here. Okay, this is where you normally put new oil in. There we go. See, now it's coming out a little bit faster. Alright, so to ensure that we get maximum amount of oil out, I'm going to turn it on. Let's see what happens when I open this up. There we go. So it's going to drain out. Moments later. So I did have some trash in there. I'll show you. Okay, I look down in the bucket here. You can see where some trash came out of the pump. It's not really a good sign, but at least I think I got it all. So there it is. Alright, now I have to put oil back in. So, I'll go ahead and put this cap back on, right here. So what I'm using here is this vacuum pump oil by New Calgon. So here we go. Whoops. Alright. So I have to watch the level here on the vacuum pump. Make sure I don't put too much in. I mean, if I make a mistake and put too much in, it's not a big deal. I just have to pour some out is all. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's see where it goes. Alright. Let's see. Well, actually that looks pretty darn good right there. So, I'll put this cap back on. Right here. Okay. And we'll call it done.